Hi everyone, welcome to my videos Rizam. My name is Sojib Kandi. I am a student of BBA 6th semester at Daffodil International University. I am from Bandorban. I have completed my SSC from Bandorban Government High School in 2022 with a GPA 4.11. I have completed my SSC from Bandorban Cantonment Public School and College in 2022 with GPA 4.75. I am a hardworking and punctual person. I like to learn new things and improve my skills. I can use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and I also have some skills in graphics design. These skills help me make professional documents, good presentation, and creative designs. I am also active in different clubs. I am a member of Daffodil International University Finance Club and external members of Axiom Youth Society and a member We Not I. I was also executive members of Bandorban Cantonment Public School and Business Club. Being in these clubs helps me learn teamwork, leadership, and communication skills. In my free time, I enjoy traveling, playing football, cricket. These hobbies helps my stay active and punctual. My goal is to build successful career in business. I want to help my organization grow and make positive impact in society. Thanks for watching video.